Hello, and welcome back to the Link Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're taking a quick look at the MikroTik CRS510, a versatile 100 gigabit switch built for modern networks. The CRS510 features two 100 gigabit QSFP28 ports and 825 gigabit SFP28 ports, making it a strong fit for data centers, enterprise racks, and high-performance network cores. It supports DAC cables, optical links, and legacy connections, integrating cleanly into existing deployments without a full hardware refresh. Compatibility is one of its biggest strengths. The CRS510 supports 100G, 40G, 25G, 10G, and standard gigabit connections, allowing you to scale over time. MikroTik also includes an RJ45 console port for direct access when recovery or configuration is needed. Performance is handled by a Marvel Prestera switch chip, delivering low-latency packet forwarding with support for VLANs, ACLs, MLAG, jumbo frames, and selective Layer 3 hardware offloading, while keeping power consumption efficient at around 27 watts without attachments. Inside the unit, the Prestera switch chip manages the data plane while a dedicated QCA9531 CPU runs router OSV7 for configuration and monitoring. Dual internal fans, along with temperature and voltage monitoring, keep the system stable under continuous load, with an estimated MTBF of approximately 200,000 hours. Power reliability is another key advantage. The CRS510 includes dual hot swap power supplies, plus PoE-in, a DC jack, and a 2-pin terminal, minimizing downtime and simplifying deployment. If you need a compact 100 gigabit switch that delivers flexibility, efficiency, and dependable performance without enterprise-only pricing, the MikroTik CRS510 is a strong choice. Thanks for watching. Check the links below for current availability, and we'll see you in the next video.